Finally, after a few weeks of being away from civilization, Skye and I are back in an area that we can get things done, which means today I'm bringing you guys along with on what I like to do at least once a week. Whether I'm home doing smaller trips or when I'm on a big trip like this, these are things that I really do try to do once a week. So I wanted to bring you guys along with and show you the chaos of what goes down. But it's a little bit more chaotic than usual because it's basically been maybe 2 or 3 weeks now since I've done any of this, so it's kind of bad. Today's list consists of these things. This is no order in particular whatsoever. We'll probably do this one, that one, whatever. But these are things that we have to get done, and it's still not even everything. I kind of forgot to put a few things, so just like imagine it just keeps going. So there's a lot that we need to get done today. Bringing you guys along with, this should be quite the interesting one. Also, I am in Texas, so figured I'd update you guys. We crossed into the Texas border yesterday. We might not be going in order, but we are doing the first one. I placed an online order last night because I knew we were gonna have a lot of things to do and I needed as much time as possible during the day. So I placed an online order at Walmart, which I've never done an online order before, so let's go pick it up. Thank you to Home Depot for a spot to sleep last night. Now we are going straight across the street to Walmart. Hi, how's it going? Rebecca, yes.
Is it going in the right back or?
Yes, if you can. That'd be
Okay.
awesome. I don't know if he's gonna know how to open up my truck.
Okay.
Also, thank you so much.
I was just curious, you from Rhode Island?
Yeah.
That's a long.
Yeah, I know. It definitely.
Like a road trip or?
Yeah, I'm traveling in the truck camper.
That's really cool.
Thanks, appreciate it.
You have a good day.
Yeah, you too. I know I said that this is stuff that I do once a week, despite some things. The first 2 things that we're about to do does not count. So, Walmart, done. Next up, Skye equals bath. If you've seen any of the recent videos lately, Skye has had her fair share of rolling in any type of mud that she can find. So she needs to be, yeah. You wanna go get a bath? I couldn't find her leash, so, yep. You can cheat. Just a half blow dry dog. No biggie. She got a new leash. I'm gonna go bring her on a walk with her fancy new color. Finally done. Next, I guess we kind of are going in order. This was not on purpose. We gotta go to the laundromat. I have to sort through the entire truck because I've been leaving my dirty laundry a little bit of everywhere because my dirty laundry little bag that I put my dirty clothes in is, well, it was full. So I just started leaving my dirty clothes everywhere. It's laundry time. This is the laundry bag I was talking about that's filled. Yeah, overfilling. All right, and then I have a little bit of clothes in the front seat. Can't forget the Walmart pickup order. time to get our whiteboard. Laundry's done. Big fat bam. Next, grocery shop. We're gonna probably do all of these at the same time, same location. Oops. I'm gonna head to Kroger because I don't think I've ever been to a Kroger, and apparently that's super popular in this area. So Kroger, here we come, baby. It is time to head inside Kroger, get some groceries. Who was gonna tell me Kroger was this good? The sales are insane. It is starting to rain. Shocker. There's supposed to be some bad storms coming pretty soon too. I don't know if it's gonna rain all day or, well, for the remainder of the day, but hopefully not. Because I know you guys saw that list and there is a lot left to do that requires me to be outside. Probably could have planned better, but that's life on the road. What can you say? I think I'm gonna clean my truck at the Guggen HQ, which is the Guggen headquarters. And I don't think we're that far. 13 minutes, perfect. All right, 13 minutes away. I'm gonna head to the Guggen HQ. I need to pick up a few things there as well as clean my truck there, preferably. Would be incredible. And I'd love to bring Skye into the Guggen headquarters. So I also haven't seen it since they redid it. And apparently it's completely different from the last time I've been there. So I don't even know what it looks like anymore, which is crazy. Because I literally lived there at one point. All right, I'll see you guys 13 minutes at the Guggen HQ. The clouds are looking mean. I literally used to sleep like in that corner, and then Eric's van was over there and stuff. Like,
I remember that last time I came up here 3 times, and I remember Eric's van being back there.
Yeah, oh my God.
Yeah, it's different, right?
Yeah, it's been a few years, so.
Yeah, and then this is just like one little office now.
The rain has stopped, so we're gonna take advantage of that and we're gonna put away all of our clean laundry, put away all of our groceries, and just kind of get that out of the way. Because today's one of the only days this week I can do this, and we gotta complete our list. I wish I was kidding. This is a once a week occurrence. It just happens to be more intense this time around because we were in the middle of nowhere for a very long time. So I'm a little bit behind schedule. Yep, nice. I was definitely nervous to show you guys this, but this is the current state of the truck. My fridge shut off at one point, and it's everything in there definitely got spoiled, so I'm kind of scared to open it. Just another day. Yeah, everything definitely went bad. Well, can't say it's not spotless in here now. That's for sure. Probably cleaner than it was when I got it. Well, I would have probably done a way bigger grocery shop if I knew prior, but it's alright. We have enough food for a good week, maybe. I don't know. We'll see what I can do with what I bought. Fridge is clean. We're at the Guggen HQ. So the last 2 things we have is clean truck, which is clean truck hamper. So I cannot wait to show you guys what I just did to the camper. It looks better than it has in months. It's phenomenal. I just deep cleaned it, wiped everything. I vacuumed. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to share it with you guys. But before the grand reveal, let's organize the front seats, which also means clean, and then edit. Those are the last two things on my list. And yes, I'm tired. Started today's episode at around 8:39 a.m. It's roughly 5:30 now, which means it's Skye's dinner. So I really needed to organize the front of the truck for Skye because this seat has to go up because she wants this pillow. I don't know if you can see, better view for you guys. She likes this pillow right here, not this. She doesn't like when this thing's down. I've learned that. Look at her. She's looking good. Everything is organized. Everything is wiped down clean. Literally spotless. Everything is organized. Everything looks good. Except for this. This is just the fan setup because it was a little bit toasty in here as I was cleaning. But everything just finally is back in its original home and where it was intended to be. I didn't intend for this video to be more of a watch me do my chores type of day, but also, yeah, things kind of happen. Organized front seats, done. Edit. Well, if you guys are watching this video, then I edited tonight. Crazy how that works. Feels so good to have a clean truck again. I know it kind of turned into me doing chores, quote unquote, for the day, but I truly enjoy doing chores, the truck camping, van life, chores. And I do air quotes because it's really just things you have to maintain and keep up with on your day-to-day, but these things on this list give me purpose, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's so nice to travel and explore and do all these cool things, but then also have a reset. Okay, well, I have dirty clothes, I have dirty dishes, I have this, I have that, and then when you clean them, you feel so good, and it's like you get another win to just keep pushing further, and I don't know, it just like makes you have a clear mind. And I love doing this. Again, I really do most of this once a week. Walmart order online, no. Skye bath, no, but I brush her multiple days a week. Laundry once a week, grocery shop once a week, clean fridge once a week, clean truck once a week, organize front seats once a week, edit every single day. So, I mean, this is pretty accurate of what I do once a week. And I've never showed you guys, which is weird. I've been doing this for 3 years. It was a little bit different of a cleanup process in my old truck camper, but nonetheless it was still along the same lines of, you know. So hey, I'm stoked. Camper looks good. We have a camp spot for the night, which I'm just gonna sleep in the Guggen HQ parking lot because why not? It's a spot to camp. I'm gonna get cracking on dinner real soon. Skye just ate. She's running around outside as we speak, and then go from there. So far so good though. I don't know, I just feel refreshed, okay? I feel good. Dinner! Woohoo! See? This is what happens when you clean. I found my second favorite ever Mountain House, this brand, yellow curry. The number one is the spaghetti one. I've said that before. It's so good. So good. It's simple, but trust me. I know we cook some very fancy meals on this channel, and that's no exaggeration, but cut me a little bit of slack tonight, you know? I'm so, like, my body is killing me. I feel like I did so much, and it might not look like I did a lot, but I did, and I just want something quick and easy, you know? Also, what I wanted to cook tonight went bad in the fridge. All my food went bad in the fridge. Well, Skye and I are gonna hang out in the Guggen HQ. I'm only gonna be in here until the sun goes down, and then once the sun goes down, I'm gonna head back to the camper, but I'm gonna crank out some editing so you guys can watch this video. See if it's as good as I remember. So good. Well, good night from the Guggen headquarters parking lot. Never thought I'd say that, but it's a spot to camp for the night. It was super cool to go in and see the new renovations and all that, so I'm happy I'm here. I'm also excited to go to bed. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode. There's a gravel road over there, and it's so loud anytime someone drives down it. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed kind of seeing a day in my life and what I do at least once a week. It's not insanely accurate, but that's because I don't think I've ever had a duplicated day, ever. It's always something new, it's always something different, something's always happening that didn't happen last time, etc., etc. So it can't always be exactly perfect because there's no such thing, but for the most part, that's stuff that I very much so needed to get done and something that I probably wouldn't have filmed. So it was really cool to bring you guys along with for that. So hopefully you enjoyed today's episode as much as I did. Texas, so far, you've been very good to me. But apparently there's some tornadoes coming, so stay tuned for that. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and Skye and I will catch you beautiful people on the next one.